Hey guys, welcome back with another study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss when you open Cash App, you may face a problem that Cash App is not available in your country or region. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply, guys, there are 3 to 4 ways to fix this problem. First of all, guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, guys, if you may live in USA or UK, then guys, you will make sure that if you have any connected VPN to any other country, you may disconnect your VPN and you may check your problem will be fixed. Or if you live outside of UK or USA, then guys you may connect to VPN or any other server, and you may connect to USA, and you may check your problem will be fixed and you can easily enjoy your cash app. So if your problem is still not fixed by all these methods, then guys you may click here on your Apple account, and guys you may check here is the option of media and purchases, and you may click here on view account, and guys you may change your country region from here to USA or UK to USA or UK. And guys, when you connect to USA or UK, you may check your problem will be fixed, and now you can enjoy your Cash App account easily. So if your location is USA or UK and you are unable to use Cash App and you are facing this problem again, then guys you may open Safari browser and you may open Cash App support, and guys you may check. So you may write here cashapp.com, and you may scroll it down, and you may click here, and you may click here on contact, and guys you may contact to Cash App support team and tell them your problem, and they will fix it as soon as possible. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.